equipment on this A321 aircraft. You'll find a safety card in the seat pocket in front or to the side of you. Please take the time to study it carefully. There are 8 emergency exits which are clearly marked, and the cabin crew now point out the nearest exits in your area. Lower level lighting will guide you to the nearest exit. Please take a moment to locate your nearest usable exit, as it may be behind you. In a likely event of an evacuation, all hand baggage must remain on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and released like this. Whenever the fasten seatbelt signs are on, it's important you return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. If there's a failure in the air supply, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull a mask towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Pass the elastic case strap over your head and pull the adjuster strap for a secure fit. Remember to put on your own mask before helping children or other passengers. A life jacket is stowed under your seat. To access the life jacket, pull sharply on the tab and remove it from its stowage. Pass it over your head, cross the tapes behind your back and tie off at the side with a double knot like this. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the aircraft. When you are outside, inflate the life jacket by pulling the toggle sharply downwards. The auto inflation tube is designed to add air to the unit if required. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. We also
for departure, please. Crew released, thank you.